In this video, we are going to learn what is sequence. A real valued sequence is a function defined on the set of natural numbers and taking real values. Are you clear, children? Is a real valued sequence is a function defined on the set of natural numbers taking real values. In other words, we can define as a function. A sequence can be considered as a function defined on the set of natural numbers n. In particular, a sequence is a function f from n to r, where r is the set of all real numbers. Note, though all the sequence are functions, not all the functions are sequence. Clear, children? All the sequence are functions. Sequence implies functions. Functions does not imply sequence always. For example, let f of x equal to x square by 2, comma, x belongs to n. Clear, children? N means, you know, set of all natural numbers, 1, 2, 3, etc. So, in the place of x, I can substitute these values. While substituting 1, I am getting 1 by 2. Now you substitute 2. 2 square is 4. 4 by 2. 2. Now you substitute 3. 3 square 9. 9 by 2. 4 you substitute 16 by 2. 8. Which goes like this. All these elements are from real number system. So it's a subset of R. So we can say that f is from n to r. Clear, children? So any function you define, so you will get the result will be from the real number system. It should be like that. Only in that case, that is known as sequence. Clear, children? Also, you must know all the sequence implies functions, but functions does not implies sequence. Exercise 2.4. First question, find the next 3 terms of the following sequence. First question, first term is 8, 24, 72, etc. How we can get 24 from 8? 8 3s are 24. Am I right? 8 3s are 24. Now, 24 into 3 equal to 72. 72 into 3, 216. 216 into 3, 16 3s are 48. 203 is 600. 648. 648 into 3. So we are getting 600 into 3 is 1800. 48 into 3 is 144. Therefore, we are getting 1944. Now we got 3 terms. One is 216. Another one is 648. Another one is 1944. Therefore, next 3 terms are 216, 648 and 1944. Second subdivision, 5, 1, minus 3, etc. You just observe this. By subtracting 4 from 5, you are getting 1. From 1, you subtract 4, you are getting minus 3. The next term will be minus 3 minus 4 equal to minus 7. Minus 7 minus 4, that is equal to minus 11. Minus 11 minus 4, that is equal to minus 15. Therefore, next 3 terms equal to minus 7, minus 11, minus 15. Third subdivision, it's given 1 by 4, 2 by 9, 3 by 16, etc. Here, just you observe the terms. The first term is 1 by 2 square. Next term 2, second term. You increase to 1 with that. By 3 square. Next is 3 divided by 4 square and so on. Therefore, next 3 terms you will get 4 by 5 square, 5 by 6 square, 6 by 7 square and so on, which implies 4 by 25, 5 by 36 and 6 by 49. These are the required 3 terms. Second problem, find the first 4 terms of the sequence whose nth terms are given by. First subdivision, given an is equal to n cube minus 2. We have to find first 4 terms, that is a1. 1 cube minus 2. 1 cube is 1. 1 cube is 1 minus 2, that is minus 1. a2. 2 cube minus 2. 8 minus 2, 6. a3. 3 cube minus 2. 27 minus 2, 25. a4 equal to 4 cube minus 2. 4 cube is 64, minus 2 is 62. Therefore, the answer, we need first 4 terms, that is minus 1, 6, 25, 62. These are the 4 terms. Second question, an is equal to minus 1 whole power n plus 1 into n plus 1. Now the first term equal to minus 1 the whole square, that is 1 plus 1, into 1 into 2, that is equal to 2. Next a2, minus 1 the whole cube into 2 plus 1, that is 3, that is equal to minus 6. a3, minus 1 whole power 4, 3 into 4, am I right? N into n plus 1, that is 3 into 3 plus 1 is 4, which is equal to plus 12. A4, that is equal to minus 1 whole power 5, 4 into 5, which is equal to minus 20. Therefore, answer, we need first 4 terms, 2, minus 6, 12, minus 20. These are the required first 4 terms. Third subdivision, it's given an is equal to 2 into n square minus 6. Therefore, a1 is equal to 2 into 1 square minus 6. Here I am keeping dot for multiplication. Therefore, 1 square is 1 into 2. That is 2 minus 6 is minus 4. A2. 2 into 2 square minus 6. 2 square is 4. 4 2s are 8. 8 minus 6 plus 2. A3. 2 into 3 square minus 6. 3 square is 9. 9 2s are 18. 18 minus 6 is plus 12. A4 equal to 2 into 4 square minus 6. 4 square is 16. 16 2s are 32. 32 minus 6, 26. Therefore, the answer, that is the first 4 terms, minus 4, 2, 12, 26. These are the required values. Third question, find the nth term of the following sequence. In the previous sum, they gave nth term and we found the first 4 terms. Now, they given 4 terms, we have to find the nth term. First question, it's given 2, 5, 10, 17, etc. This is equal to 2. How we can write? It's 1 square plus 1. 1 square is 1 plus 1 is 2. Second term is 2 square plus 1. 2 square is 4. 4 plus 1 is 5. Next is 3 square plus 1. Next is 4 square plus 1, etc. Therefore, it's very clear that nth term will be n square plus 1. Clear, children? Third term is 3 square plus 1. Fourth term is 4 square plus 1. So, nth term will be Tn square plus 1. Tn is equal to n square plus 1. Second question. 0, 1 by 2, 2 by 3, etc. equal to, how we can write this? 0 by 1, 1 by 2, 2 by 3, etc. See, denominator, first term is 1, second term 2 and 3, like that. Numerator, you are subtracting 1. So, how we can write this, 1 minus 1 by 1, 2 minus 1 by 2, 3 minus 1 by 3, etc. Just you have to generalize the things. Therefore, the nth term is equal to n minus 1 divided by n. This is the required nth term. Third subdivision. They given 3, 8, 13, 18 and so on. This is equal to, the first term is 5 minus 2. Second term is 10 minus 2. Third term is 15 minus 2. Next term is 20 minus 2 and so on. Therefore, this is equal to, how we can express this? 5 into 1 minus 2. 5 into 2 minus 2. 5 into 3 minus 2. 5 into 4 minus 2, etc. Therefore, the nth term is equal to 5 into n minus 2. That is 5n minus 2. This is the nth term of the given sequence. Fourth sum. Find the indicated terms of the sequences whose nth terms are given by. First subdivision. Given an is equal to 5n by n plus 2. We need a6 indicated terms, a6. 5 into 6 divided by 6 plus 2. That is equal to 5 6 are 30 divided by 6 plus 2, 8. We can cancel for 2, it's equal to 15 divided by 4. Next term is A13. 5 into 13 divided by 13 plus 2, which is equal to 5 13s are 65 divided by 15. This is equal to, you can cancel for fifth table, 13 by 3. Second subdivision. An is equal to minus of n square minus 4. We need A4. A4 is equal to minus of 4 square 16 minus 4. That is equal to minus 12. And A11, that is equal to minus of 11 square 121 minus 4. That is equal to minus 117. This is the required terms. Fifth question, find A8 and A15 whose nth term is an is equal to. For even terms they define one function, for odd function they define another function. You have to be very careful. You are going with even or odd. So here directly I am considering that given an is equal to n square minus 1 divided by n plus 3. If n is even, n square divided by 2n plus 1, n is odd. N belongs to natural numbers. Okay children, we need A8. 8 is even number, so I have to consider the first one. 8 square minus 1 divided by 8 plus 3. 8 square is 64 minus 1, 63 divided by 11. Next we need A15. Now we have to consider the second function, that is 15 is odd. 15 square divided by 2 into 15 plus 1, that is equal to 15 square is 225 divided by 2 15s are 30, 30 plus 1 is 31. These are the required terms. Sixth question, if A1 is equal to 1 and A2 is equal to 1, given A1 is equal to 1, A2 is equal to 1, Then they given an is equal to 2 into an minus 1 plus an minus 2. N is greater than or equal to 3. Then find the first 6 terms. One by one I am going to write. A1 is equal to 1, it's given. And A2 is equal to 1. So first 2 terms we obtained here. Now you go for A3. If you are substituting n is equal to 3, 2 into A 3 minus 1, that is 2, plus A 3 minus 2 is 1. We know the values of A2 and A1. So 2 into A2 is 1 plus A1 is also 1. 2 into 1 is 2 plus 1, that is 3. Next we can consider A4, which is equal to 2 into A4 minus 1, 3 plus A4 minus 2 is 2, which is equal to 2 into A3 value is 3 plus A2 is 1, which is equal to 2 3s are 6 plus 1, that is equal to 7. Now A5, which is equal to 2 into A5 minus 1, that is 4, plus A5 minus 2, that is 3, which is equal to 2 into A4 value is 7 plus A3 value is 3. 2 7s are 14 plus 3 equal to 17. Now you consider A6. 2 into A6 minus 1, that is 5, plus A6 minus 2 is 4, which is equal to 2 into A5 value is 17 plus A4 value is 7. 2 17s are 34 plus 7, that is equal to 41. Therefore, the 6 terms are 1, 1, 3, 7, 17, 41. These are the first required 6 terms.